Hey developers, how are you doing guys? Welcome back to Dev. My name is Amin and today I want to talk about list in React.js application. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for supporting me and now let's go. Nicely done. We are expert on props now. I want to talk about and focus on our data, and I want to talk about, as I said, list in React.js application. For example, imagine that you have a list of books with 100 books in it and you want to work with them or show them or everything that you want to do with each of books in your list. If you want to work with them like these components here, it will be hard code and it's not decent for your application. The best way using your list and accessing the property of your list is use map method in React.js. And now I'm here to talk about map method and its syntax in React.js application. But first, let me create a list of books in our application. So I want to start with creating our list here with const. It's equal to an array with brackets, and we should put some object in our array to make a list of books. So I want to put these three objects that we have, and we should separate our property of our list with comma. So we have an array that is book list with three books in our list of books. As you can see, we have error on our web browser because we remove our first book and second book and also third one, but there is no need to be worried about that. So now we have our book list. I want to work with our list here. As you can see, I want to remove these three book components and start working with JavaScript in JSX. And as you know, we should use curly braces here and just put book list, the name of our list here, and save that. As you can see, when I've saved this book list, it's not true. But if we want to use our list, we should use, as I said, map method like this and with parentheses. It is the syntax of our map method here on our book list. Something I want to show you in a static variable is using heading 1 here with the name of Devonless. And when I save it, as you can see, there is no book component, just three heading 1 HTML tag here, 3 devonless, and the count of these heading 1 is depends on the count of book property on your list, book list, and we have 3 devonless here. So if we want to work with our list dynamically, I want to remove this from here. Something else is put something in these first parentheses. You can name it everything that you want, but I want to start with the single form of our book list. And now I want to put our book component, and as you can see, we have 3 empty white box here because we don't pass our props to our book component. And now I want to passing our props to our component, and as you know from the previous video, we have prop destructuring, and start with const, making an object, image, title, and author here. It's equal to our book that we put here. It's for each of books in our list. So we can pass our props to our component, passing image and title, of course, and about author, we have the prop of author here. And as you can see, when we write these props on our book component, we have the result on our web browser nice, and there's no problem here because we have passed our props to our book component. The point is here that we start working with our list, book list, that contains 3 books on that, and using map method and a property, a variable for each of books in our book list, and after that destructing our props and returning a component with passing props to it to have this result on our web browser. It was all about list simple list in React.js application and talking about map method in our React.js application. We are at the end of our video today. Hope to be useful for you guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and put comment and like for me. Of course, I will answer all of your comments. Be nice guys and farewell developers.